Hi, my name is Keith Sheely, and I want to show you how to use Windows 8. So, if you have used some of the previous versions of Windows 7, XP, Vista, what have you, and you move over to Windows 8, you'll find that the format is a little different. And the first time I transitioned on over, I was frustrated. I wanted to throw my computer out the window. Why? Because it wouldn't work the way that I wanted it to work. And so, but after I played around with it a little bit, I realized that the layout is quite easy. And so I just wanted to show you some quick tips and tricks about utilizing it if it's the first time that you've used this program. And then you'll figure it out with these basic principles in mind. So the first thing is, you've got the desktop, which is the traditional Windows format, and then you've got the pad format, where you don't have a keyboard and you just have your apps out on display. And so what they did was they brought the two together. You can still have your desktop, but you can also have the quick access of having just the apps. And so one of my frustrations that I had just starting out with this new program was just turning my computer off. I just would go straight to the button that was on the computer itself. I didn't know how to go on the screen here and find it, going down to the left-hand corner, finding uh, the tab that you turn the computer off. So anyway, moving your arrow to the bottom right-hand corner, you will see that the icons pop out momentarily. You can also do the top right-hand corner, same thing occurs. So let's just go and go straight to the settings here. And you'll notice that the settings pop out and there you go. There's the power, and if you click right on it, it gives you the options. So very easy. You can go to the keyboard as well. I don't want to change anything there. Notifications, my modem that I'm currently connected to, volume, just quick, easy adjustment, brightness as well. And if you want it to go away, just move your cursor off, click off the screen, and it disappears. So again, move it to the bottom right-hand corner, then just slide the cursor up. So if you connect devices, you can see what you have available, connect it to your computer. Again, sliding up. Now this one here, this was different. This was new. This is what represents your apps, transitioning from your apps to your desktop. And so your computer should have this icon, bottom left-hand corner on your computer, and as well as right there. So if I just click on that, instantly you'll see how it's transitioned over to these apps that are online. And of course, you can add these, just like your smartphones, you add an app to your smartphone, you can now add it to your computer. And so as you open these up, you can have them running in the background. To determine what you've got running in the background, you simply move your cursor right there, top left-hand corner. I can do the same thing, moving my cursor right there, and it'll still show, if you notice there, right up in the area, these three, they were protruding just slightly. That lets you know how many different things you have opened up. And so as I slide my cursor up, it just pops right out. I can go straight to my desktop. I wanted to go to a program that had already opened, just bring it to the corner, slide it down, then once again, it shows what I've been looking at. So right here is my app for Netflix. Now, let's say you want to get rid of Netflix. So you go to the bottom left-hand corner, just click on that screen there. That closes it out as far as transitioning back to your app page. But you can just move the cursor again to the corner, slide the cursor up, and then without clicking on the left, you click on the right, gives you the option to close. So I can close that out. PC settings, I can right click, close that out as well. And so there's my Explorer, all the different things that I use here. And you'll find that that little icon right there, left-hand corner of your keyboard, or clicking on it right there, huge saver from transitioning back and forth. And then of course, if you can't find a particular program because it's laid out differently here, you can just begin to type here. So if I just type Google, Right there, it gives me everything that I've got on this computer. You know, I could go to Google.com, excuse me, Google Maps, Google Images, Google Translate, etc. So there you have it. My quick demonstration of Windows 8. I hope that helps. And as you begin to utilize the program, I think you'll find that you will really enjoy it. If you've liked this information, please like it on my YouTube channel, Time to Live Wealthy. If you have any comments, please leave those as well.